reason why your lashes may be popping off once you start brushing through them after you're done with application. One reason would be that you need to be refreshing your glue about every 30 minutes. Depending on the humidity in your room, that can vary. Making sure you're using one droplet of glue when you start out, and then about every 30 minutes or so, add a droplet of glue. You can flip your ring over, add it on the fresh side if that makes you feel more comfortable. But making sure to keep your glue refreshed is huge. A lot of times I've noticed, like when I go through to brush them out, it's like the inner corners or the outer corners where I usually have finished lashing last seem to want to pop off. Just because the glue's not fresh anymore, you gotta make sure to keep that fresh, and that'll help a lot with retention. The second reason could be that your adhesive is too quick of a drying time, and that you're making the fan and then dipping it in your adhesive and then going to place it on the lash, but the glue is drying before you get it to the lash. So especially if you're starting out, make sure to use a slower dry time on your glue just to ensure that you have enough time to dip your fan and place it on the lash before it has time to dry. A third reason why you're having trouble with your lashes popping off after placement could be that you're not using enough glue. I know it's kind of a hard fine line to find, too much between not enough. Making sure that you're fully saturating that base of your lash before you apply it to the natural lash will help to make sure that it really absorbs into the lash and gives you a better hold. And then the fourth reason why you may be having issues with retention is that there's a barrier between the natural lash and the lash extension. So make sure you're doing a really proper job of cleansing the lashes, using primer, using cleanser, a lash bath, making sure that there's no makeup, no oils, nothing on that natural lash before you go to apply. Eyelash extensions do not adhere to dirty lashes, so just make sure that you're taking the time at the very beginning of your set to prep and prime and get your client all set for proper retention. I hope that helped. Those are the things that have definitely helped for me, so keep an eye out for those, and happy lashing!